We've been using the STABILO multi-talented pencil for years now, and they are still one of my daughter's favorites. They were actually her first coloring pencils. The chunky shape and strong lead makes them perfect for small hands, easy to hold, and nearly impossible to break. What makes these pencils so unique is that they are 3-in-1. A coloring pencil, a watercolor, and a wax crayon. You can draw normally and then go over with a wet brush to turn the colors into a beautiful watercolor. They work on almost any surfaces: paper, glass, plastic, or bath tubes, and you can wipe them off smooth surfaces easily. This set comes with 10 vibrant colors and a sharpener that fits the thick pencils perfectly. If your kid loves to get creative and try different techniques, these are a fantastic option to start with.